Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. For those of you who've been following, what Rudy and I have been trying to find is a terminal program that will let Rudy test the interior, the serial port that is inside the SuperPET. We've had some success, some suggestions, one basic program sent along. We'll see where we're at. The thing that is very puzzling, and to we, such as I and he, who are new to this SD card thing, is there do seem to be files that are downloaded pretty much as disk images. And they're about the size of a disk. And I'm sure they're good. I'm sure they're helpful. I'm sure they're wonderful. But neither, Rudy or I know how to get into them. I think the file he was talking about, the extension on it was maybe something like D80. And it does seem to be the size of a disk, which gives us the idea that maybe it's the image of a disk. So maybe he might have the program that he needs, but he just can't get into it. So, yeah, if anybody out there has any insights on how to open up or unlock or decompress or whatever it is that's needed on these SD card files that appear to be images of an entire disk, that would be really helpful. So thanks for coming. Either write to me here or write to Rudy at Rudy's Retro Intel. And hopefully that will help. And as I say, Rudy's been writing an incredible manual to help other people fix their SuperPETs. And yeah, or just kind of, it's like everything. When you know it, it's easy. When you don't know it, it's baffling. Anyway, thanks for your input. Thanks for your wisdom. Thanks for your help. Bye for now.